I guess you're supposed to pronounce it AVI Synth, but that seems weird to me because the name comes from the extension AVI, which is just an acronym. So that would be kind of like if you called the CIA CIA or the IRS IRS. Anyway, AVI Synth is a software environment used to add filters and commands to your videos. It can get extremely technical, but I'll walk you through it in this guide. You only need this if you plan to be recording your footage using the XVID codec, which I'll talk about in a few minutes, or if you want to learn how to add motion blur to your footage. If you don't care about either of that, then you can skip it. If you are interested though, go over to the search page again, and this time look up AVI Synth space download. I'm adding download because it's easy to get lost trying to find the file you need for this. And this isn't the official homepage or anything, but this first link here is the file we want, so click on that. Now download AVI Synth. And it probably won't matter, but I'm going to get the 2.5.7 one because the one up here could be unstable. I don't know. It says RC4A, which stands for Release Candidate 4 Alpha, so who knows what's changed. Now go and save this to our stuff directory. And we'll switch back to the stuff folder again. Now double-click on the zip file to open it. And actually, this contains an installer inside, so double-click on that to run the executable. Run. I agree without reading any of this. Next. And make a note of that directory. We'll come back to it. Install. And now it's installing everything. And finish. Okay, AVI Synth is installed. You won't actually run any program called AVI Synth. It's just that some scripts we set up for the videos won't work later on without it. Now I mentioned AVI Synth is used for adding in motion blur to your footage. So the next piece of software is actually a plugin for AVI Synth that makes that happen. You only need this plugin if you want to add motion blur to your footage. If so, head back to the search page again.